x minus 1 times dy dx plus y equals x minus 1 cubed. It's not in standard form, is it? We need to divide by this to get dy dx on its own. So let's do that then. Divide by x minus 1 all the way through gives, here we'll just get the dy dx, which is what we want. Here we're going to have plus y over the x minus 1 equals, and one of the x minus 1's cancelled, doesn't it? So you get x minus 1 squared. Okay, this is the equation we want to deal with here. So let's circle the integrating factor, p. There we go, there's p. And so here, the integrating factor then is equal to e to the integral of p, which is 1 over x minus 1, isn't it? Dx, which is equal to e. This integral is ln of x minus 1, which equals e to the log cancels and you just get left with x minus 1. Okay, so let's multiply through by that integrating factor then, all the way through the equation, gives x minus 1 dy dx plus, and then we get a y, because we're timesing it by x minus 1 with 1 underneath, and that will be x minus 1 cubed. So it looks like we're back to where we started, but now we know that that's the derivative of a product, don't we? That's the whole point of that. So there's IU, and there's V. So now we can write, so here, the left-hand side can be written as d by dx of u times v, x minus 1, times v, which is y, is equal to x minus 1 cubed. So integrating then both sides. Now it's a standard thing. So we can just integrate in. Integrate gives. The integral of the derivative is just the object itself, x minus 1 times y. On the left hand side we've got the integral of x minus 1 cubed dx, which we know is x minus 1 to the 4 over 4, because when you multiply the bracket, the something, you get 1. So it's a function of a function essentially. The 4 comes down, cancel with that 4 to the 1 less, multiplied by the something differentiate, which is 1, so you end up with cubed. So that, this thing here differentiates to that, plus a k at the end, of course. So now what we can do, well, in other words, we've got x minus 1 times y equals x minus 1 to the 4 over 4 plus k. Divide by x minus 1 then to get an explicit solution, which is worth getting. So y equals then, divide by one of the x minus 1's, divide that out, you get cubed over 4 plus k over the x minus 1. And that's the explicit solution.